Windows 10 updates are meant to improve your device's performance and security, but sometimes they can cause more harm than good. In this video, I will show you how to check if your Windows 10 update is causing problems and what are the common symptoms. The first thing you should do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This is a tool that can help you fix common errors and issues with Windows Update. To run the troubleshooter, follow these steps. Go to Start, Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Under Most Frequent, select Windows Update and then click Run. Wait for the troubleshooter to scan and fix any problems with Windows Update. Restart your device and check for new updates. If the troubleshooter doesn't solve your problem, or if you get an error code while running it, you can try some other solutions. Here are some of the common problems and symptoms that can occur after a Windows 10 update and how to fix them. Your device is slow or freezes. This can happen if the update is not compatible with your hardware or software, or if it has corrupted some system files. To fix this, you can try repairing hard drive errors, restoring and repairing system files, or performing a clean restart into Windows. You can also check Device Manager for any errors or conflicts with your drivers. Your device won't boot or crashes. This can happen if the update has damaged your boot configuration or caused a hardware failure. To fix this, you can try using the Startup Repair tool, booting into safe mode, or restoring your device from a system image backup. You can also try performing a clean installation of Windows 10 if nothing else works. Your device has lost some features or settings. This can happen if the update has changed some of your preferences or removed some of your apps or drivers. To fix this, you can try reinstalling the missing apps or drivers, checking for optional updates, or rolling back to a previous version of Windows. You can also try resetting your device to its factory settings if you don't mind losing your personal files and apps. These are some of the common problems and symptoms that can occur after a Windows 10 update and how to fix them. If you have any other issues or questions, you can visit the Microsoft Support website or contact their customer service for more help. Thank you for watching this video and I hope it was helpful. Sometimes, a Windows 10 update can cause problems on your computer, such as slowing it down, crashing apps, or preventing it from booting up. In that case, you might want to uninstall the problematic update and restore your system to a previous state. Here are the steps to do that. First, you need to find out which update is causing the issue. To do that, open the Settings app by clicking on the Start button and then the cog icon. Then click on Update and Security and then View Update History. You will see a list of all the updates that have been installed on your computer recently. Note down the name and the KB number of the most recent update, as you will need it later. Next, you need to uninstall the update. To do that, go back to the Update and Security page and click on Uninstall Updates at the top left corner. This will open a control panel window with all the updates listed. Find the update that you want to remove and click on it. Then click on Uninstall at the top. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. You might need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After uninstalling the update, you need to prevent Windows 10 from installing it again automatically. To do that, go to this link and download the Show or Hide Updates Troubleshooter tool. Run the tool and click on Next. It will scan your computer for available updates and let you choose which ones to hide or show. Select the update that you just uninstalled and click on Next. The tool will block Windows 10 from installing that update again until a newer version is available. Finally, you need to restore your system to a previous state before the update was installed. To do that, go back to the Settings app and click on Recovery. Then click on Get Started under Reset This PC. Choose Keep My Files option and follow the instructions to reset your PC. This will reinstall Windows 10 without deleting your personal files, but it will remove any apps and drivers that you installed after the update. You can also choose Remove Everything option if you want to wipe out everything and start fresh. These are the steps to uninstall a problematic Windows 10 update and restore your system to a previous state. I hope this helps you fix your Windows 10 update disaster. In this section, I will show you how to prevent future update disasters by changing your update settings and using backup tools. Windows 10 updates can sometimes cause problems for your PC, such as crashes, errors, or data loss. To avoid these issues, you can customize how Windows 10 updates your system and how you can restore your files if something goes wrong. First, let's see how to change your update settings. You can access the Windows Update settings from the Settings app. Click on Update and Security and then on Windows Update. Here you can see if there are any available updates and when they were last installed. You can also pause updates for up to 35 days if you want to delay them for some reason. To do this, click on Pause Updates for 7 days and then select a longer period from the drop-down menu. You can also choose not to download updates over a metered connection, which can save you data and bandwidth. To enable this option, click on Advanced Options and then turn on the toggle for download over metered connections. Another thing you can do is limit the Windows Update bandwidth, which can improve your internet speed while updates are downloading. To do this, click on Delivery Optimization and then on Advanced Options. Here you can adjust the percentage of bandwidth that Windows Update can use for downloading and uploading updates. You can also stop Windows Update from installing driver updates, which can sometimes cause compatibility issues with your hardware. To do this, click on Advanced Options and then on View Optional Updates. Here you can uncheck the drivers that you don't want to install. Finally, you can view and uninstall installed Windows updates if they are causing problems for your PC. To do this, click on View Update History and then on Uninstall Updates. Here you can see a list of all the updates that have been installed and select the ones that you want to remove. Now that you know how to change your update settings, let's see how to use backup tools to protect your files and system. Windows 10 offers different ways to back up your data, depending on what you want to save and where you want to save it. One option is to use the Backup and Restore Windows 7 utility, which can be accessed from the control panel. This tool lets you create a backup of your files and system image to an external hard drive or network location. A system image is a full backup of your PC, including your files, settings, and apps. You can use it to restore your PC to a previous state if it fails or gets corrupted. Another option is to use the File History feature, which can also be accessed from the Settings app. This feature backs up your files to an external drive or network location and lets you restore them to a previous version if needed. You can choose which folders to back up and how often to back them up. A third option is to use OneDrive, which is a cloud storage service that comes with your Microsoft account. With OneDrive, you can sync files between your PC and the cloud so they stay backed up and protected. You can also access them from any device with an internet connection. To create a backup with any of these tools, you need to connect an external hard drive or network location to your PC before using them. You also need to sign in with your Microsoft account if you want to use OneDrive. Then follow the instructions on the screen to set up your backup options and start backing up your files. By changing your update settings and using backup tools, you can prevent future update disasters and keep your PC running smoothly and securely. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.